Hello everyone! So in today's video we're going to learn about correcting debt problems. I'm going to correct all your debt problem and why is all that happened. Okay, so your credit score ranged from 300 to 850 points. Yes, we all know that. But if you have a score of 550 or below, it is considered bad or poor. So there are things that you can actually do to improve your score. So the first thing you need to do is to start paying your bills on time. This counts for 35% of your score. It takes up the largest of all your score. That's the first thing. So usually the first problem is that you already have some money, but you always wait until that day to pay on time, to pay the bills. But I got to say that whatever you do, if you have the money to pay the money already, you should pay the debt. You should pay the debt immediately. The sooner you pay your debt, the better. The next thing is twofold. Do not acquire any. So first, do not acquire any debt, no new credit cards, car loans, etc. And next is payday. Pay down the debt you currently have as fast as possible. So you don't have to wait until the end of the year to pay it off. If you have some extra money, use it to pay off some debt. Together, these two things count for the 30% of your score. So it all come back to living within your means, making better choice, contracting your lifestyle, and being patient. So first you should do that. Yes. So it all comes back to living within your means, making better choice, contracting your lifestyle, and being patient. So if you have some money, then you should pay your debt immediately. Then that would be living within your means. It doesn't mean that you always have like your money and then you go out and buy clothes, buy food. Maybe you are living within your means that time. No, not actually. Maybe you're having fun at that time, but then later you're not going to be living within your means because you're currently in debt. So let's practice. Oops. So, okay, let's practice. Jade have a credit score of 600 points. She decided to be more village and always paying her bill on time. What result will follow? A. Jade credit score will stay the same. B. Jade credit score will decrease. C. Jade credit score will increase. So Jade has a credit score of 600 and she decided to be vigilant and always paying her bill on time. So she's decided to pay her bill on time. So that means that will having a big effect. Now it would have a big effect. Now that she's always paying her bill on time. So it's not going to decrease. It's not going to go down. It's not going to stay the same because she's trying to do better. So C is the correct answer because it is increasing. Karen wants to improve her credit score of 520 point. She realizes she's been buying things that she didn't really need it, resulting into debt. What lifestyle change should Karen make? So it's like Karen wants to improve her credit score of 520, and she's realized she's been buying things that she didn't really need it actually, and she's in debt. So what lifestyle change should Karen make? A. Karen should get another loan because more loan mean better credit score. B. Karen should remember to live within her means and not spend more money than she has. C. There's no lifestyle change that can help correct a bad credit score. Okay, she's not gonna get more loan because then she couldn't actually pay that. She cannot pay that because maybe she get a loan, more loan. It's better actually, but it's only take about 10% of your whole score. And by the way, you should get loans, that some loans, so that maybe in the future you can borrow that and they can actually let you borrow that if you have like the correct like that. um but if she get more loans and she can't even pay them back, then it's totally going down a lot. B, Karen should remember to live within her means and not spend more than money than she has. Okay, Karen should remember to live within her means because she she does not have the money for it. Yes. So B is the correct answer, not A and not C either, because there is a lot of lifestyle change that can actually help you correct a bad credit score, which is a true statement. A, if someone has a bad credit score, they can correct it by paying bills on time and paying off debt. B, people can only get bad credit score if they make stupid choice. C, once a person has a bad credit score, there's no way that they can correct it. Yes, when a person having like a bad credit score, they can actually correct it or change it by paying off your debt on time, paying your bills on time, and paying off your debt. We can actually correct that, so there's no way that it's gonna be C. B, people only make bad credit score if they make stupid choice. Not actually. Maybe you have some debt, but you cannot actually pay it on time yet because you don't have the money yet. It doesn't mean that they make stupid choice. So A is the bad. A is the correct answer. I want you to do this by yourself because it's the last question. Thank you for coming and have a good day. And I think the next time someone having trouble with their debt problem, you can actually uh, their debt problem or your credit score, you can actually give them some advice. Thank you for coming and have a good day.